How to find SWIFT code of Scotiabank. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find SWIFT code of Scotiabank. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To view your SWIFT code, there are two ways. First way is on your checkbook. Right at the bottom, you are going to find your SWIFT code. It is indicated as your SWIFT code, so you can simply find it from your checkbook. However, if you do not have a checkbook, then you can check it online as well. For that, you will need to go ahead and open the Scotiabank on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. After this, you will be taken to the home page, and once you are on your home page, tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Once you open up your settings page, tap on the profile icon and then you will be taken to the account info page. You can find all of your details here. So, to see your SWIFT code, you can simply tap on the deposit check or void check info button. In here, you can tap on the view option, and once you tap on the view button, in the corner you will be able to find your SWIFT code of Scotiabank. So, this is how you can find SWIFT code of Scotiabank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock-in Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.